Good morning, sixth graders. So you're thinking donut, and you're absolutely right. And you're thinking, this looks really easy. And guess what? You're absolutely right. But I will tell you my challenge for you regarding this donut after we draw it. So I would suggest using pencil and eraser because I'm going to show you how to do just this simple, basically cylinder shape first. So the first part that you do is you're going to do a long oval, just like this, all right? Then on the inside, you're gonna do a smaller long oval. You want this oval to be just a smaller version of this one, okay? Meaning the line should be pretty much the same as you can make it.
It's done.
Nice. Yeah, almost, but we're gonna make it 3D. So on the inside, we're gonna do a curved line like this because this starts us seeing some width in our donut. On either side, we're gonna do a slightly curved line down, okay? Now, if you want a really tall donut, then you would make these curved lines longer, all right? And then you're gonna connect these two lines with a curved line that mimics this curved line here, okay? So it goes down like this. So my donut's a little skinny, that's okay. So you can see that I did frosting. I'm gonna erase this just a little bit. Oh, that's your eraser.
Now it's done.
But see, this is where my challenge comes in. I want you to create the coolest donut you have ever seen in your entire life. So I'm just gonna show you quickly how I did frosting. So how I did that is I erased that bottom part of that oval that we did, and it's pretty easy. Hang tight, I see your hand, Lucas, you have a question. And then I do some wavy lines, okay? To create, you can see that's pretty easy. I try not to make it too symmetrical, and then I bring the frosting up, connect. Okay, so here's frosting. That's pretty simple, pretty easy. Most people might put some sprinkles on top, whatever. Okay, Lucas has a question. What is it, kiddo?
What if the coolest donut you've ever seen wasn't in the regular donut shape?
Okay, well then you
like
need...
a bear claw.
Oh, okay, so a bear claw or apple fritter. So yeah, the different shapes. I'm trying to remember what a bear claw looks like. Oh, okay.
It's like Jane Field, and it has like, I don't know if it was like 3 or 4. And
yeah. Well, really, any shape that you do, you could make it 3-dimensional. If you have like a bear claw, and if you see the side view, you'd want to do the top part first. I'm kind of going off what you did before.
Yeah, I was.
And then you do those 2 lines down and then connect, okay? I'm trying to remember what bear claws. I feel like they have lines that come down like this, but I'm not really remembering what a bear claw looks like. But you can make any shape pretty much 3-dimensional. If you just make it so we see that side view, it's no problem. But what I want to see from your donut is like candy bars on top, or just anything as creative as you possibly can. I want to see some wild donuts, 6th graders, and I know you guys can get pretty crazy. You can see with this donut that I did some shading, okay? So the edges are darker. Oops, sorry about that. The edges are darker, and I'm pressing down really hard on my pencil, and I gradually let off that pressure until there's barely any pressure at all where I want my highlight to be. And I do the same thing on the other side, okay? So dark to light. I put some highlights on the top of my frosting, okay? So I want you to get some shading in there if you can. You can do, if you don't have colored pencils, that's fine. You could do some shading with a normal pencil and then maybe color in with crayons or do whatever you can. It's not a big deal. Use whatever tools you have, okay? I just want to see some awesome donuts. Lucas, did you have anything else to say? I feel like maybe you had something else to say.
Yes, because I thought of a thing like to add for the jam-filled donuts. I don't know what it's called, but a little like part where they like
Yeah.
and put the jam.
Yeah, the little hole on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, and you could have some, some of the frosting or the filling coming out. You could do lots of fun little things.
Yeah.
It's a great idea. Okay, 6th grade, have a fun day. Again, just email me your drawings within a week, okay? So no hurry, just have a lot of fun with it. Bye.
Bye.